to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys some different head wrap styles, some turban styles that you can use every day. I would rock these to the office, church, going out with your boyfriend, your husband, your girls, whomever. These styles are so cute, and you don't have to worry about, you know, playing with your hair. If you're looking for a protective style, I would highly recommend head wraps. I would highly recommend you get some head wraps, whether you get doing with the t-shirts or you get the actual like turban head wraps. All right, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some wraps that I received from the Urban Turbanista. Y'all check them out. I will leave the details in my description box so you can see the different prints. I just love their head wraps, and I'm happy today to show you guys some styles, whether you're having a bad hair day or you're looking for a protective style, or if you just want to do something a little different. I just love these, y'all. I think it allows me to be more creative with my looks, and this is just a vibe, y'all. This is just a look, okay? So again, check my description box and check out this company for these head wraps, all right? If you guys want to see the different styles that I was able to come up with the head wraps, keep on watching.